Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, we will be making 3 mini magnetic paintings. So I got this circular magnetic canvas from a store called Flying Tiger in Dublin, and I'm going to paint on them. If you don't have a magnetic canvas like this, you can paint on a foam board or a cardboard and stick some magnets behind it. Now I'm using some watercolors to paint on these canvases, and let's start painting. So for this video there's nothing much to explain about the process, so I'm going to be answering few questions that I received for my first Q&A video. I've asked to send me questions on my Instagram as well as on YouTube, so I've received 3-4 questions, so let's start answering to them. So the first question is from Craft with Suhani. She also has her own craft channel, check that out. So she has bunch of questions. Let's start with the first one. Your inspiration to start YouTube. So after I got married, we used to go to different countries due to my husband's job, and then and there I used to do many crafts and all those things, buying craft supplies and experimenting craft. तो वहाँ पे I used to post so many pictures of my craft works, and then I created my Facebook page. And after that, one of my husband's friend, he suggested that I should start making craft videos on YouTube. That clicked, and then we started our journey on YouTube. So next one is your favorite color, place, etc. तो मेरा as such कोई favorite color नहीं है. I like colorful things, but right now I'm leaning more towards turquoise. And favorite place, अगर travel destinations को छोड़ दो तो I love visiting art and craft store, art and craft supplies stores. I love to go there and spend my time. I can spend entire day if it is a good art and craft store. And I also like visiting IKEA to get so many inspirations and ideas for home decors and stuff. Next is any other profession. So I don't have any other profession other than art and craft. I do teach here in Dublin painting and various other crafts to kids. So next is when did we shifted to Dublin? We shifted to Dublin in year 2017, and for my qualifications, I'm a qualified chartered accountant. So the next question from Gemini is, what keeps you motivated and come up with new ideas? I think the biggest motivation is I love art and craft. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है नए नए आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को ट्राई करने में एंड देखने में कि कैसे करते हैं किसी चीज़ को. एंड जब भी मुझे अनमोटिवेटेड या लो फील होता है तो आई जस्ट गो इनटू माय क्राफ्ट रूम एंड आई स्टार्ट डूइंग व्हाटएवर आई लव डूइंग, लाइक स्टोन पेंटिंग और डॉट मंडल, whatever I like doing, and then the blockage is over and I can think of new ideas, and it goes on like this. So next question is from my lovely friend Vidya, and she asks, which craft by far has been the most challenging one for me? I think for me the most challenging one is portraits, like human figures. I cannot draw them, I cannot do it. I tried it once and it was very bad, and I have never tried it any time after that. While I was busy in this video, my baby, my Farin, was doing this. I love him. And the last one from Gemini is, how do you manage your supplies? So for craft supplies, I usually do one thing. Whenever I go to a new place, I search for craft and art stores nearby, and then धीरे धीरे I get to know और भी कोई stores है, like in some areas which is far from my place, and then I have specific items which I get from India when I go to India, or I get them online here, or if somebody is visiting US, I ask them to bring. So there's a lot of chain of getting my craft supplies. So these were all the questions. Thank you so much to everyone who has sent me the questions. I loved answering all of them, and I hope you like this video as well. I loved making this, and all the magnets turned out so cute and beautiful. So hit that like button if you do, and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll make another one if you would guys like me to make it. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Please subscribe.